Long week I mi first time back again after the plan the year we pass, where you miss have a look all player blong Erakor Golden Star Football Club, long Premier Division inside long Port Vila League, mo all narvala player blong all geta divisional sem under 12 go kasemol senior, we all been serve training after we sunny set finish. I mi atru long 10 vala Spotlight where Unelco GDF Suez Vanuatu I mi sponsoring or giving money from. Somewhere long 80 people only been present long Tuesday 18 November 2014 long 6 o'clock afternoon long football field long Erakor long area long Engis long Erakor village town close up long Solwater where he face him Erakor Island Resort. Emiap long witness him official launching long lighting project long sports field long Geta. Sponsorship long Unelco ya emi kam mo follow request we come long Erakor Golden Star FC mo president long kata Gislain Kalta.
Some president long Golden Star tonight me one big full achievement lo community and me want them targalan big full thank you lo Unelco lo sabe mega sponsorship lo light ya lo one amount lo 2.5 million we me one big full sponsorship become lo community. Once again, on behalf of law executive, thank you too much. First time we been got 6 light no more, and then we will been at them up all extra, all street light, more two more project again. So we make them around 10 lights.
Lo night today, Unelco GDF Suez and me launch electricity long field of football long Engis, lo Erakor. Me belong club long Golden Star. So Unelco GDF Suez and me really happy belong make one launching today.
All 10 vala light ya mabay miel big one Erakor Golden Star Football Club long all training long all different category long all player long geta me start long under 12 under 14 under 16 igo kasem ogata senior category long club ya institutional manager long Unelco Vanuatu Louis Wakanumune mi mekem tok long behalf long management long utility company ya mo mi point out say Unelco mi sponsor en plan de sports long Vanuatu e metalam se sports mi good for me stapulum together young fala e come on place long sports mo tu e mi save help long mekem se ogata youth only no go inside long ogata big fla issue or sem alcohol mo drug we must affect them big one all young generation lo country today e metalam tu say long time e come EGSFC e mi sta production plan de all top player or sem late pretin waute mo late rocha waute mo plan de narvala player mo igo long national squad chief long Erakor mi tok tangyu igo long Unelco GDF Suez long sponsorship long hem mo tu mi tok plan de long good for relationship we company mi gat with them community long Erakor
especially mi kale big flat tangyu sem para mo chief lo Erakor chief kala so kalam tak koma late mi se kale big flat tangyu lo Unelco we mi se kam mekem se today football lo Erakor e mi se municipal stadium and project ya e mi lo last one I think se today Erakor with them Unelco to fele good for relationship lo kata non-flat development we ipai se kam lo future.
Representative long church long Erakor village been pointing out the lighting project long football filia and me one big for a blessing long Erakor Golden Star FC betu long full community long Erakor especially to ogata church whereby ogata save organize on crusade more ogata Christian activity long nighttime long football filia long Engis area representative long Unelco Vanuatu and me ask him long all member long Erakor Golden Star more community long Erakor long must look out them good more respect them all lighting facility ya long emisave service people long geta long run Jean-Baptiste Calo reporting for TPV News.